I've told a lot of people if I would have found some place that would pay me reasonably well, treat me well, and had reasonably interesting work, I would have never started this shop. But I got tired of looking. I looked for work ethic and attitude. Skills can be taught.
I came in very new, and I've always had an interest in it, the field of manufacturing and machining. They first started me out mopping, cleaning machines, I showed them that I had the desire to be in this field, and little by little I got to talk to people that knew machines, and then I got to take over machines, and now I'm at a position where I'm pretty comfortable with where I am.
It's like a family environment, I guess I'll call it. I've been in multiple corporate type environments that didn't feel like that. It was pretty stressful. We expect to make as much money as we can possibly make, but there's also a pretty good tolerance for work-life balance.
I started school not too long ago. They are helping me financially, and they're not only flexible with my hours, but they're very open with what you want to do, and they take your interest in great account. And I think that that's what's great about this company.
Gary's an awesome guy to deal with. He's very down to earth. Everybody that works here feels comfortable approaching him or me or anybody else in the building.
Yeah, so I'm actually the one they pick on the most. No, I'm kidding. The environment is amazing to be in. I don't think of anyone really as my coworker. I think of them as my friends. And I think the best aspect of the leadership here is that they don't just tell you how to do it, they work with you so you can learn from it.
We have a super young workforce.
Yeah, I'm 20 years old. Yes, I'm young.
They're just hungry to learn. They want to learn more and more every day. And they're our future leaders here. That's, I think, what I like the best. Dealing with the people and mentoring and that kind of thing I love it. It's awesome being that hands-on and being able to work side by side with somebody that's running a machine or setting it up. It's awesome. I've learned a lot too in 2 years. I'm still learning every day, so it's great.
We advance all the time in aerospace, so we always see new parts coming in. There's always going to be a future in this sector.
If you're a motivated individual that enjoys working with your hands or computers or focusing on complex tasks, we are looking for those kinds of people. It's very rewarding, and some of our best people here today have come here with no experience at all, and they're leaders in the shop. That's what I'm most proud of, is the team that we've developed and the capability that we've developed.